Welcome to our quick dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries and improving our daily lives in incredible ways. Let's explore some of the most exciting uses of AI. First up, healthcare. AI is making significant strides in this field. AI can analyze medical images for faster and more accurate diagnoses. AI helps in creating personalized treatment plans based on patient data. AI accelerates the process of discovering new drugs and treatments. Next, finance. AI is revolutionizing how we manage money and investments. AI detects fraudulent transactions in real time. AI algorithms execute high-speed trading strategies. AI assesses and mitigates financial risks more effectively. AI is also making our transportation systems smarter and safer. Self-driving cars are powered by AI, promising safer roads. AI optimizes traffic flow in real time, reducing congestion. AI predicts vehicle maintenance needs before they become issues. In retail, AI enhances the shopping experience. AI suggests products based on customer preferences. AI optimizes inventory levels to meet demand. AI chatbots provide instant customer support. Education is another field where AI is making a big impact. AI tailors learning experiences to individual student needs. AI automates administrative tasks, allowing educators to focus on teaching. AI-powered tutors provide additional help outside of class. Entertainment is being transformed by AI as well. AI suggests movies, shows, and music based on your tastes. AI creates more realistic and immersive gaming experiences. AI assists in creating new music, art, and stories. AI is driving efficiency and innovation in manufacturing. AI predicts equipment failures before they happen. AI ensures products meet quality standards with precision. AI streamlines supply chain operations. AI is even helping to feed the world through advances in agriculture. AI optimizes planting, watering, and harvesting processes. AI monitors crop health and detects diseases early. AI predicts crop yields to improve planning and reduce waste. Thanks for joining us on this tour of AI uses. From healthcare to entertainment, AI is transforming our world in incredible ways. Stay curious, keep exploring, and see you in the next video.